Hi, in this video we're going to demonstrate some of the formatting capabilities of PixelPress 3.0, and to do so we're going to use our own website. We're on our own services page here, and as you can see we're logged in, ready to go. And what we're going to demonstrate is the movement and absolute positioning of page components. So to start, what are page components? Well, if you look at our website, it looks like any other. We have our top navigation menu here. We have our body text or title or breadcrumbs. We also have our little feature items here, website enhancement, recent online solutions, and we have our footer at the bottom of the page here, our privacy policy and so on. It's like any other website. When we click our format checkbox up here in the top right hand corner, our page layout changes slightly. We get these more dominant borders. Also we get the addition of these new icons, the function of which I'm not going to reveal just yet. But also when you hover over different parts of the page, you get these red dashed borders. These red dashed borders illustrate page components on your page. So I guess they're like little jigsaw pieces that make up your page. You got your top nav, which is a page component, your content, another page component, your two feature items, both page components that we've added, and we have our footer. On hovering over these, you'll see the appearance of additional icons, all of which serves the purpose of editing or formatting or deleting. For instance, this is a little icon down here where the cursor is, and clicking it out will allow us to edit the body of text contained in there. But we're not going to get into that right now. What we're going to do is we're going to try and reposition some of these page components on our page. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the website enhancement component from this left hand side to the right hand side and move this in the opposite direction. So to do so, what we do is we click the little crosshair icon, which is our move and position button. On clicking that, our current page component becomes highlighted. What we do is, without keeping any buttons pressed or anything, we just move the cursor over to the right hand side, and you'll see PixelPress will try and determine where we're trying to position it. So we can position it below it, or we can position it above it. So in this case we'll just position it above it. So we click our mouse button, our left mouse button there, and there you go. We just moved it. So what we'll do now is we'll move our recent online solutions over to our website enhancement was, which is over here. To do that, we hover over the control, click the crosshair again, move our mouse over there, and there you go. Position here. So job well done. Now, it's unrestricted where we can move these page components. If you wanted to, you could click that little move crosshair and move it up here. It mightn't look right up there, but it's well within your right to do so. What we're going to do is just move it back over here. These little grey boxes at the bottom are defined as places you can also position. So for instance, if I wanted to move to the bottom, I just hover over these little grey boxes and my options are defined. Another feature which PixelPress provides is the ability to absolutely position objects on the page. For instance, you mightn't like the fact that this services text is very close to the top navigation. You might want to move it down a bit. To do this, you do the same thing. You press the crosshair button, and using the cursor keys on your keyboard, which are up, down, and left, right arrows, you just press the down key until you're happy with the new position. When you're happy with the new position, just press the escape key on the top left hand side of your keyboard, and the position is saved. Not only that, but this position will be saved right across the board. To amend your change, simply hover over the box or page component again, click the move crosshair button again, just press the up arrow. This will move us back to the position that it originally took. Also, the options available for going left and right. So that's it. Hope this tutorial